Okay, welcome back students. Today we are having the updates of VTU, that is 21 IDT subject, that is subject name is Innovation and Design Thinking. Today we had the exam for 50 marks. It is a multiple choice question based exam. So you need to only just mark the answers. It is not descriptive, as you know. Okay, so today I am having the correct answers, that is key answers for these 50 questions. Let's see one by one which are going to be the correct answers. So we'll start with the first question. Okay, so in the design thinking process, in the delivery phase, we iterate, test, prototype, all the above. The answer is all the above, that is D. Okay, second one, the goal of the prototype phase is dash. To understand what components of your idea didn't work, to understand what components of your idea work. So the answer is both this will, so hence the answer is C. To C. Okay. Third one, what does MUP stand in for agile? So it is minimum viable product. So for the third, the answer is A. Okay. Next, question number 4. Question, what question did the designer forget to ask in the question number 4 below? So it is a urinals. So how many urinals are needed? How much space is needed per person? What is the purpose of urinals? What will be the toilet look like? So the answer is correct B. How much the space is per person. Fifth one, which is not a good interview strategy for the empathy step. For the fifth one, what is A? Encourage person to talk about experience. B. Encourage short answer that get into the point. So for the fifth one, answer is B. Okay. Sixth one, which of the following principles are not considered for design thinking? Embrace human center, profit center, pattern identification of problem solving. So it is a profit centric. So 6, it is C. 7, to emphasize one has to observe, engage, listen. So it is all the above. Emphasis means understanding the customer needs. So it is going to be all the above. So seventh one is over. Eighth one, which of the following are not the tools of visualization? So visualization not the tools. Maps, images, stories, videos. Videos are visualization, images are visualization, maps are visualization, but stories are not visualization. Hence for 8, the answer is C. Okay. Ninth one, dash storytelling is the most compelling type of storytelling. Compelling means most, it is like most interesting, like that. So it is what type of storytelling? It is obviously visual. That is for ninth one, the answer is B. Next, 10th one, mind maps are used to dash ideas, generate, visualize, structure, all the above. Obviously it is visualize. For 10, it is B. Next, 11th one. For the 11th question, design thinking is also known as adaptable inquiry, strategical design thinking, transformation design, and all the above. So the answer is for 11, it is D. Next, 12, dash is the way of the narrowing down the thoughts to reach the final solution. For 12, the answer is A, that is convergent thinking. Next, 13, design thinking follows waterfall, agile, both of this. So it is agile, B. 14, dash is an iterative and incremental method of managing development and design. Again, it is agile. All the questions are from model question paper. As I discussed in the 3 videos yesterday, the same questions are came in the exam. 15, BPM stand for business process management. It is C. 16, a hypothesis is a wish for the result, a complicated set of sentence, a conjecture that is grounded in support background originating from a secondary research. C. For 16, the answer is C. Okay. Next, we'll see the 17th question. Dash is an analysis of person, groups, events, decision periods. Okay. This is called case study. For 17, the answer is B. 18, the purpose of MEP is not, look at it, is not is given, be able to test a product, accelerate learning, reduce wasted engineering hours, get the product to early customers as soon as possible. It is not the purpose of MEP. The product is not going to come early. It's not that MEP quality. So that's answer is for 18D. 19, which of the following is innovation model? Employee, customer, partner, all the above. So it is D. For 19D. 20th, which of the following is an example of innovation? Wheel, compass, telephone, all the above. Obviously it is all the above. So go for the 21st. Which of these are not the component of mind map? Arrows, branches, central idea, all the above. 22. Journey mapping is also called as experience mapping. 23. Journey mapping maps which place of activity of the service of a customer before, during, after. Obviously, it is all the above. 24. Which of the following are not the tools of design thinking? Co-creation, prototyping, mind mapping, online marketing. Answer is online marketing. D. Here B, and here it is D. Next, 25. Dash is used with the objective of identifying needs the customer are often unable to articulate. Experience mapping. 25th B. 26. What is your first model of product is called as prototype, that is C. 27. The 3 I's of a design thinking not include implementation, inspiration, ideation include, the interest doesn't include, so A is the correct answer. 28. Frank Robinson used and coined the word, that is MVP, minimum viable product, C. 29. Collaborative teamwork is essential in design thinking for better failure management, D. 30. Design thinking process begin with the following 3 steps. First one, understand, improve, apply, A. 31. Majority of the top executive regarded dash as one of the top 3 leadership qualities, empathy, A. Okay. So now we will move to the next page, 32. In design thinking, where does the information used to put together a problem statement come from? Where? So it is define stage, B. 33. What is wrong with the product design? Look at this in the model question paper. The answer is given unstable, but the unstable answer is not here. Okay. So obviously it is not A, not D, not C. So if doesn't function as a chair should. So it is B. Either it should be B or they will give grace marks for this. 33. Okay. So that is a 33rd question. Next, 34. Is prototyping a step in the design thinking process? True or false? Yes, it is a true. 35. Prototype should only be demonstrated and tested within a team? No, false. B. Okay, it is A and it is B. 36. At what step do you want to complete a point of view? So it is most of the questions students will have the doubt here. So it is ideate, D. 37. In initial designs brief, one second. Where exactly I am? 37. In the initial design brief specifications are provided by D, that is client. 38. When defining a problem, your problem statement should include a solution. Okay, it is false. 39. Design thinking process is, once again, can be applied in any profession, any area, any field. So it is true. 39A. Okay. Next. So we'll see the last page. We'll see the last page. User persons are created during which phase of the design thinking process? So it is none of the above. The actual answer is defined. I have not given. It is none of the above. 41. The first step in the design thinking process is to empathize. It is D. 42. The final step in the design thinking process is test. 43. Design thinking typically helps in innovation. That is A. 44. Design thinking is a process of defining, framing and solving problems from the user perspective. 45. B. That is empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. What are the steps in the design thinking process? Obviously it is B. 46. Design thinking is a linear process. No, it is non-linear process, hence it is false. 47. Which of the following is not one of the profiles of the design thinkers? So it is optimism. D is the answer for 47. 48. During which stage would you consult experts to learn more about the areas of concern and to gain understanding of other people's experiences? So it is understanding, means it is empathize, D. 48D. 49. Collecting dash is an important portion. So it is feedback, C. 50. Which of the firm mentioned is associated with most with the design thinking? So it is IDO. Okay, for 50 the answer is B. Okay, okay students, these are regarding the multiple choice questions which appeared in 2022 May exam of innovation and design thinking subject code is 21 IDT 19. Okay, as I discussed in the previous model question papers, model question paper 1 2 3, all the questions appeared as promised. So here, that is what regarding the subject. So I hope this is very easy, very easy. All student will get minimum 18 for 50 and they will clear the subject. According to me, all the students, more than 90% of the students will get greater than 35. More than 70% of the students will get greater than 40. So it's very, very easy. You will easily clear the subjects, no problem. So I hope all the subjects you have you have written, and expect a good results from the VTU first semester. So any doubts regarding the first year, first semester, whatever the subjects you have written, I have made n number of videos clearing the doubts, how to calculate SGPA, how to calculate and how to write the impressive answers, how you are going to get the marks in the scheme of evaluation. You go through my videos in this channel, so you are going to get all the doubts for the clarification, you are going to get clarifications regarding all your inquiries and doubts. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. We'll meet again.